welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Just wanted to stop in during this transitional season and give you all what floral fragrances am I obsessed with, okay? So first up, I've talked about this fragrance a lot, and so clearly I am obsessed, but the dupe or the real, I don't know, the other fragrance would be Montal Roses Musk. Yeah. And this is Al Harmain, and this is L'Aventure Rose. Love it down. So if you have Rose Musk by Montal, you know my obsession. I absolutely love this. This is rose in the top, rose in the middle, rose all day, every day, all day. I love how this smells. Now, will I get the Montal version? I don't think so. First of all, this is like a big bottle. Like, am I going to get rid of this? You know. Anyway, I feel like this just does it justice, right? I don't have to play those games of like, oh, you know, I have Roses Musk when I don't have it on. Like, I'm good with dupe versions. I know not everybody is good with that, don't like it. It's cool. But I am good with like alternative options that smell similar or tomato, right? Anyway, this is so good. So if you love a good rose, to me, this also gives me a little bit of a candy rose or a sweet rose with that red berries in this, the citrus that's in this, and the musk, just chef's kiss. I love a good musk fragrance. You all know this, but this fragrance I have worn down. I've worn it with other fragrances, and it has done my body good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Next up, oh my goodness, if you are not a fan of this fragrance, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for you. But Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper by Kylie, I love this fragrance. I love the spiciness it gives me, the rose, the saffron, the bergamot. This is so good, and it lasts. It's powerful, impacting. To me, it's a sexy rose, okay? And this is not going to be just all about rose. Well, maybe it is. But I love a rose note. I love that floral note. It just stands out to me. And to me, all rose are not created the same, right? They're not all equal. Some give you this candy, some give you this soft, and some give you total sexiness. And this to me is total sexiness. Love it. 10 out of 10. If you are in, or if you want a good sexy standout rose fragrance that you can be obsessed with, Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper to me is a contender. Okay, moving on. Next up, oh my goodness, this jasmine, okay, this white floral fragrance. It's good for a casual setting. When I tell you, I've been trying to let this one go, and I can't. I'm actually going to, like, it was a cheating fragrance I was doing for a video, and then I partially added it to my tray. It was definitely a part of my top 5, and I just can't get rid of it because it's going to be on this tray of March. Like, I cannot let this go, and I have been wearing this almost every day. Like, it's crazy. This is like my signature work scent. Like, that's how much I've been wearing this. It's crazy. Anyway, sis, what you talking about? And I am talking about Zadig Voltaire, okay? Zadig and Voltaire. This is her. This fragrance, this jasmine beauty, it's not complex. You know what I'm saying? Like, Y'all, it's probably not something that you haven't smelled before, but it's so pretty. And I'm sure you can get this at a steal deal. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's the white floral on this, the chestnut, the vanilla, the whipped cream. I am addicted to this fragrance. I have been wearing this, like no lie, almost every day for work. This is so good. Casual setting, errands. I mean, even a date. Listen, I would do this for a date day. This is like a day scent. This is brightening. This is refreshing. This is so good. And some of the days I've been having at work, honey, when I say I've been wanting to, okay. This has made me so happy, okay? I love this. If you have not tried this, get your hands on this. Look at this dent. Like, seriously, when I'm done with this, I'm getting me, if I can, a larger bottle. Because this is a 1.6 ounce, 50 mil. If I can, I want to see if I can get a larger. I have to have this forever. This is a lifer. Again, this is not like so complex where you're like, oh my gosh, like, are you really like overly tripping about this? Yes, I am. Okay, I love this. This is so good. Highly recommend. If you don't have this in your collection, you want it. If you have been scared of jasmine, the white floral note, again, I would start here. I would actually start here. If you have not had a success in the white floral department, that's one I would consider, sis, for real. Whipped cream, chestnut, vanilla, jasmine. Okay, all right. Moving on. Now, this had to be on the list, okay? And some people like this and some people don't. The people that don't, I'm just sorry, but can I get your bottle? Okay. So Pink Magnolia, oh my goodness. Loewe, this, and don't mind the dustiness of the bottle, it's fine. Honey, this, so good, and I cannot wait. Oh, she's been hibernating over the winter season, but this is so pretty. A good work scent, a good church scent, a good spring scent. If you love the note of magnolia, like the white floral, you like red berries. Oh, this is so good. Musk, sandalwood. You all know I love musk and sandalwood and those things. So good. I would highly recommend you get your hands on this or your nose on this. This is one, I mean, the reaching is real. If this wasn't on here, you would see the dent. Yeah, and she will be used in this season, and I will be enjoying her. Absolutely. Next up, if you're looking for a fruity floral fragrance that will stand out amongst the crowd and will give you compliments galore and has the note, my favorite note, of pear and jasmine is in this. Yeah, if you want that type of life, look no further than Juicy Flowers by Mancera. Honey, if you do not have this in your collection, this is a Mancera that you need to add this year. This is the essence of fruity floral that I want to smell like. And the pear in this, and the lasting power in this, and the compliments it gets. I think you want to be on this train with me. And if you don't like this, again, I'm sorry, but I love this. This is so good. Now, the dent in this might not, you might be like, do you really like this? I don't put much dent in anything. You must be new to this channel. But this spring, summer, she gonna be used up. Yeah, I'm about to get my life with that beauty. Like, this is so good. And I cannot wait to pair this with Kayali fragrance. A juicy floral with another floral that's impacting. I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait. This is definitely one that I am obsessed with. I love smelling like this. This is the essence of spring and summer for me. And fruity floral. Like, this is everything I want. And it has pear in it. So what is there more to say? I know. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, one fragrance that I've been talking your ear off about. Sorry. I've been talking it down like 100 times. And then the other one is discontinued. And I've always talked your ear off about this one too. We talking about Mind Games Prodigy. You knew. This Rose Beauty, it had to be on a floral obsession. Yeah. Addicted. This is luxury in a bottle. Love it down. And this one, I'm sorry to show you this again. This cannabis, watery, rose, carnation fragrance that I love so much. I just waited to the end because I know I haven't been able to find this for y'all anywhere. To let you all know that it's somewhere. If you didn't get this, yeah, I'm sorry. This is so good. I enjoy this. This is one of my favorite watery rose carnation cannabis fragrances. And again, I don't have many in my collection that has the note of cannabis, and I'm obsessed and addicted to this fragrance. And this is Flora Botanica from Balenciaga. This is so good. Highly recommend. You don't have your hands on it, I'm sorry. So that's why I'm just going to put that right there. But it's so good. But Prodigy, you can definitely get your hands on this. This is a beautiful penny, but it's beautiful. It's well worth it in my opinion. It's luxury. It's rose. Date night. First date. Lasting date. First impression. Like, this is so good. Work, church. This is good. Okay. Wedding, event, red carpets. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Love it down. Obsessed. Okay. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my obsessed floral fragrances. What are some of the floral fragrances that you are absolutely obsessed about and enjoy talking about and looking and just awing over? Let me know down below. I would love to know your thoughts, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.